I'm really proud I got to be part of this project to bring great healthcare to the people in these communities.
The client came to us with two goals in mind. The first being that they wanted to close the healthcare gap in the northeast region of the state. The second is that they challenged us to develop a repeatable prototype of a small community-based hospital.
These buildings are really great examples of flexibility and adaptability, but we also knew it shouldn't look like a machine.
How we integrated the building into nature was certainly an important aspect. How we use light, thinking about reducing glare. I think overall create a sense of quietness and assurance for patients.
Fond du Lac and Oshkosh's proximity to Lake Winnebago drove us to their design concept. In the palette, you'll see this colorful, uplifting, watery blues, sunset hues that echo the feeling of a calm, serene lake horizon. The artwork especially is meaningful and recognizable to the community. Every piece of art is by local or amateur photographers, and it celebrates the beauty that they see in Oshkosh and Fond du Lac.
The owner looked at us and said, have you done the good work to think about what not only today represents, but what 50 years could look like?
We know the future is going to be different than we expect. So giving the owner a building that could adapt to any type of patient population, change in service offerings was really important.
The biggest challenge on these projects that the team overcame was the site chosen in Oshkosh. It was a historical manufacturing site, so a brownfield redevelopment. As a team, we needed to overcome environmental contamination, all while making a building that was going to be safe for the intended use for the long term.
We had to go through a lot of long-winded studies to prove out the contaminations, what they were. There's a lot of little intricacies that you gotta follow to make sure that your environmental impacts are dealt with appropriately.
Each project has its own unique story in terms of sustainability. We did use a geothermal system to reduce energy consumption by 30%.
We're using incentives through the government to pay for part of the project. That was an innovative way where the team kind of brought an idea to the owner, and the owner embraced it, and we figured it out.
Like with any complex project, it's a collaboration of partners. I mean, that's not just our design team, it's the owner's rep with HPlex, the contractor with Myron, and quite frankly, creating a culture that was fun and positive throughout the entire experience.
We've partnered together, Myron, HGA, HPlex before. It's reliable communication that makes a continued successful outcome on these projects. When I see the facilities open in Fond du Lac and Oshkosh, it all came to life. I've never seen a healthcare facility or a hospital grand opening that well attended and that much excitement from the community.
I think if you actually look at what the patients are saying, a new modern space, easy access, that is a testament to what the project team was able to do.